The School District of Palm Beach County is excited to announce that based on teacher survey results, every classroom will be receiving a Windows laptop with a docking station to replace the aging desktop. The new Windows laptop will be a more powerful device with increased memory and a faster Intel processor.
Hi, I'm Dana Rubenstein from the Educational Technology Department. Teachers, we are so excited to announce a new laptop device for your teacher refresh. We are here at Palm Springs Middle School to go in a classroom and show you all about it. Come join me inside so we can see how your new device will get connected at your teacher station.
Having the mobility of a laptop is an advantage. Teachers may walk around the classroom with the device untethered, use the laptop with a small group of students at a table, or any way that is useful to your teaching and learning environment. To connect the laptop to the docking station, just plug in one cord. The docking station has inputs for the classroom projector, monitor, laptop charger, keyboard, mouse, classroom audio enhancement system, and document camera. It also includes an Ethernet port and extra USB ports. Once the device is in the docking station, use your existing keyboard and mouse while sitting at your desk. The current monitor will remain and give you the advantage of having two screens available, similar to a dual monitor setup. When you want to disconnect the laptop, just unplug it from the docking station. Having a laptop gives you the freedom to take it with you to meetings or trainings. You may even want to type notes on a Google Doc that is saved in Drive and accessed from any device 24/7. Need to use your device at home? No problem. You have the option to take the laptop home if the need arises. Just make sure to connect to your home Wi-Fi.